Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of NetBeans in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for NetBeans download in your preferred search engine. Go to download link of netbeans.apache.org. Linux version of NetBeans 15 is not available here. Click on the Find Out More button of old releases. Click the download button under NetBeans version 14. Choose Linux version and click on the link. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the terminal and go to Downloads folder using cd command. Use the ls command to check the downloaded package. Now make the package executable using the command chmod +x netbeans package name. Now the package is executable. Type the installation command, sudo // package name and press enter. Provide your password and press enter. NetBeans installer wizard will open. Follow installation steps. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Next. Now click Install. Wait for the installation process to finish. NetBeans installation is completed. Now click Finish. To open the NetBeans, go to Menu and search NetBeans. Now click on the NetBeans menu.